Okay, YouTubers, good morning. This is Sawmill Lt40hd there. And in the background, that's all you hear is chainsaws running. I hope you can hear me. My neighbor is timbering out his land, so they're over there cutting trees down, and they'll be there for a while. But anyway, what I'm doing today is, I don't know if you can see this. I don't know how this is showing up, but this is an hour meter and a tachometer, and I really need it for the tachometer, not the hour meter. And I'm going to hook this, or you'll see where I'm going to hook it. I'll show you. But it's really dark out right now. It looks like it's going to rain or something. They say we're getting a lot of smoke now from Canada, so I don't know if that's what it is. Here's where I'm going to put it, right there. And hopefully we won't have a problem. I'm using self-tapping screws. I lost one. It's hard to concentrate with all this noise. Well, maybe they aren't self-tapping. I don't know. Well, that's self-tapping, you can't do it. Anyway, I gotta go get a drill bit. I'll be back. Now we'll try this. come out or not, but there it is, mounted. Not perfect, but and there's something. I'm not perfect, so that's the way it is. Now I've got to get that cable and take it up and put it around spark plugs, so spark plug wires. I'll bring you back when I'm ready. Okay, and you can see I got that there, and I don't think you can see that. That's really dark. But I've got 7 loops around that, so that should give us enough information, I'm hoping. I left some slack here that we could go up, hopefully high enough. So we'll see, we'll try it, but let's start it up there, see what happens. Okay, so that's going to do it for this one. Just a short, kind of a short one, but anyway, I'm probably not going to be doing a video for a couple of days now. I'm going on a short vacation, so I'll be back in a few days, and we'll pick up where we left off here. So don't run away, I'll be back. And also, I did want to say, I appreciate everybody watching, supporting my channel, and if you would please, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would appreciate if you could do so to help my channel, and